Today we're taking it down south with some good old southern okra and tomato stew with some black rice, also known as forbidden rice. And for y'all who don't like slimy okra, just trust me on this one. Got that black rice, that onion, tomato. Y'all make this. Even if you don't like okra, make this. So obviously we have some okra and some fresh tomatoes. Those were Roma tomatoes and some white onion sliced up. I went to the grocery store and I was like, let me just grab a can of crushed tomatoes too. So I think this is going to be great for like our stew to make it a bit more soupy. And then we also have some tomato paste as well. Minced garlic, garlic, whatever you want to call it. Tony's Creole seasoning, avocado oil, some liquid smoke. We're going to use just a little bit of this red wine vinegar, bay leaves, and a beef veggie bouillon cube. So that's our ingredients for today, you guys. Let's get it started. So today we are busting the cast iron skillet out. I have not used this in a long time. I had to clean and re-season it this morning. Thank you to, I think, Cooking and Grilling with AB on YouTube. Thanks, Unc. She's a beauty, nice and restored. It's nice and screeching hot. Or a nice amount of oil in there. It's smoking. Ooh. Y'all remember that video? Oh, Lordy, wait a minute. Let's take this off. Let's come back. You remember that video of Janet Jackson? I think she was at a concert in Atlanta and everybody was smoking. She talking about, ooh, it's smoking up in here. Damn, this little burner is kicking. Give them a good review. Let's start with the okra and the onions. Ooh. Smells really good already, that onion. The onions already are starting to brown. Let me show y'all a little something. Hold on, y'all. I'm coming for you. So we're just going to add in a little bit of our liquid smoke and our Tony's Creole seasoning now, because I want to just infuse the flavor into these, into the okra and the onions. Cooking it first like this also helps to cut down on the slime. I know a lot of you guys don't like okra because it is slimy, the texture. I love it slime and all, okay? But as you can see, it's not like any slimy, you know, like little strings and stuff hanging off that you would normally see with the okra. It has a nice, beautiful brown color on here. So now that everything is nice and brown, we're going to go ahead and add in our minced garlic, as much garlic as you desire. And we're adding the garlic in now because we didn't want it to burn up. As you see, we got everything else nice and brown, so the garlic would have been burnt up, okay? And I don't want nobody flapping them lips about me using this jar garlic. Or them fingers, I should say. And we did about 1.5 tablespoons of this red wine vinegar. It's nice and chunky. So now what we're going to do is we are going to take our vegan beef bouillon cube. Our vegan beef bouillon cube. And we just have some warm water here. And we're just going to try our best to break it down so it's not a big clump in the stew. And we have 1 cup of water here. Now we're going to really get down with the seasoning, okay? This is just our Creole seasoning. Last, we're just going to add in 1 bay leaf. Okay, I'm going to cover this up for maybe about 20 minutes or so, and then we'll come back and take a look. Top was on for that 30 minutes. So yeah, now we're just going to turn the heat off. That is delicious. Decadent. I don't know if that's the right word, but wow. There's so much flavor as soon as you take a bite. Like, it just literally smacks you That is really good. I actually made this a couple days ago, and this is the vision that I had, the black rice instead of the typical white, like a little cupcake. I guess the black rice actually fits the vibe. So it may not look traditional, but it fits the outfit, it fits the cast iron. So